Welcome to 1607 W 35th Place, Los Angeles, a modern sanctuary where style and comfort come together in one of the city's most dynamic neighborhoods. This is more than just a place to stay, it's a lifestyle crafted with you in mind. Step inside and enjoy sleek, spacious ensuites featuring a microwave, refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher, everything you need for easy living. Refresh in the modern shower and make this space your home. Common amenities include garbage disposal, a cozy sofa, and a heater for year-round comfort. Your safety is ensured with controlled access and security cameras. Ideally located in the heart of Los Angeles, 1607 W 35th Place is within walking distance to USC Viterbi School of Engineering and the University of Southern California. Enjoy vibrant hangouts like Nature's Brew by Beccari, Safla Cafe, and trendy eateries, plus easy access to public transport for citywide exploration. Experience urban living at its finest at 1607 W 35th Place. Visit amberstudent.com today and make this space your new home.